Most e-bike problems don't come from big failures, they come from tiny maintenance steps many riders forget or neglect. I'm always looking for ways to keep my e-bike running smooth and extend its life. Good maintenance isn't just fixing things when they break, it's staying ahead of problems before they start. A lot of riders skip the basics I'm sharing today. Stay until the end of the video for one tip that makes all the basics even easier. So here's the list. First, tire pressure. It's one of the easiest things to ignore, but it affects everything: range, comfort, and safety. Underinflated tires mean shorter rides by using more battery power, more flat tires, and also a less than ideal feel on the road by feeling mushy and less responsive. Keeping tires inflated to the recommended pressure is easy and something I try to check every 30 days or so. Many inexpensive battery-powered tire inflators you can get on Amazon have a built-in pressure gauge to check and inflate all at the same time with one tool. Next, chain lubrication. A dry chain gets noisy, wears out faster, and can damage other components. A clean, well-lubed chain keeps your shifting smooth and your drivetrain healthy and more quiet. So first, clean the chain with a chain degreaser and allow it to dry. Then use a wet lube for rain and the winter seasons in the north, and use a dry lube for dry seasons and dusty roads. Many people also forget brake maintenance. Brake pads wear down slowly and you don't notice the loss of stopping power until they get to a point that they've damaged your rotors. Check your pads every couple months and replace them when they're thin. I did a short video on replacing brake pads you can find in the link in the description. And speaking of brakes, make sure your rotors, calipers, and brake hoses are all in good shape. Proper alignment and clean components make a huge difference in stopping performance. Rubbing alcohol does a great job of cleaning the rotors. Then there's the electrical system. Loose or corroded connections can cause anything from dim lights to full system shutdowns. A quick inspection now and then can prevent a lot of frustration. Double check all the quick connections in and around the handlebars from time to time. Make sure they're all plugged in firmly. Extreme turning radiuses can pull the connectors loose, so it's good to check them once in a while. Here's a lesser known tip. Deep clean your battery contacts from time to time. A little corrosion can cause big performance issues. A contact cleaner or rubbing alcohol along with a soft brush works wonders. Some riders also use a silicone-based lubricant on moving parts, especially in harsh weather. It helps fight off corrosion and keeps things running smoothly. So here's a quick recap. Check tire pressure, lube your chain, inspect your brakes, and check your electrical connections. Do these small things and your e-bike will thank you with better performance and a longer ride. And here's the one tip to make all the basics even easier. Perform all these e-bike maintenance tasks while your bike is elevated on your car's bike rack. Why work on the floor or on your knees? Get the bike up to your level and your back and knees will thank you. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you've got your own maintenance tips, drop them in the comments below. And be sure to check out my other videos on e-bike accessories and tips by subscribing today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.